Welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log out from your Is Crypto account. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Is application on your device. Make sure that you are logged in to your account. After logging in, you can see three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. Now you can see your account information and all these options here. You need to click on the bottom option, which is log out. Click on it. So that is how you can log out from your account. You can simply type in your PIN, or you can type in your password on this field to log in back to your account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.